Constitutional disqualification, undischarged insolvency. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guidelines of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines or rules or laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the constitutional disqualification, undischarged insolvency. Constitutional disqualifications. Basic disqualifications mentioned in the Constitution are: for membership of Parliament, Article 102; for membership of state legislatures, Article 191. Holding an office of profit under the government, being of unsoundness of mind, being an undischarged insolvent, non-citizenship of India or acknowledgement of allegiance or adherence to a foreign state, any other disqualification prescribed by Parliament. Disqualification: non-citizenship of India or acknowledgement of allegiance or adherence to a foreign state. Undischarged insolvent person will be disqualified for membership of the concerned house. Article 102(1)(c) disqualification for membership to Lok Sabha. Article 191(1)(c) disqualification for membership to Vidhan Sabha. Disqualification for undischarged insolvency. A person adjudged insolvent by a competent insolvency court under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Mere commission of acts of insolvency not a ground for disqualification. Disqualification on this account ceases to be operative if the insolvent is discharged from insolvency by the competent court. The Supreme Court in Thamponu Ravi versus Charupara Ravi held that the disqualification under Articles 102(1)(c) and 191(1)(c) would be attracted only when a person is adjudged insolvent by the competent insolvency court. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this video, you can contact through the mail address as shown on the screen. For more election related material, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.